Hello, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're going to walk you through the proper steps of how to replace the gas temperature control on your oven. Okay, now in order to replace the oven temperature sensor, we need to first locate where it is in the oven. This one here, it's up in the top left corner, and it's this cowl rod material here that we're going to be replacing. Now that runs through the back of the oven and up into one of the selector switches. So we'll go ahead and switch to the back of the range and start removing that part. First we need to locate the oven temperature knob, which is this one right here. You then need to remove the two screws holding the selector switch in place. Okay, once our two screws are removed, our switch is then free to pull out. Okay, we now have our switch. Once we have our switch out, then we need to start feeding the line from the oven temperature sensor inside the oven. We'll just go ahead and pull the whole thing out. Okay, once we've removed this temperature sensor from the oven and disconnected the switch, we then remove these 4 wires. And our switch comes out. Again, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul. We've just walked you through the proper steps of how to replace the gas temperature sensor on your oven.